If you're getting ready to take the Florida Gas Line Contractor exam and you want to pass on your first try, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to break down what this license actually covers, the exact reference books you're allowed to use, key strategies to avoid common mistakes, and how to study smarter, not longer. Both exams are open book, but don't let that fool you. Most people fail because they don't know how to use their books efficiently, so let's fix that. Welcome to One Exam Prep's Next Level Contractor channel, America's #1 contractor licensing test prep company. If you're preparing for the Florida Gas Line Contractor exam, stay tuned because I'll be giving you a special discount code on all Florida prep materials towards the end of the short video. The Florida Gas Line Contractor is a licensed specialty contractor regulated by the Florida Construction Industry Licensing Board, authorized to install, repair, and maintain natural gas and LP gas piping systems. So what does the gas line contractor do? They can do gas piping installation, repair, taps, connections and testing, excavations, welding, and fusion. So the project scope is going to apply to residential and commercial gas piping projects statewide, licensed and regulated through the Florida DBPR. Just like most Florida specialty contractor licenses, this one requires passing two separate exams. So first, most people are going to take their business exam first. That's the business and finance exam. That's 120 questions over 6.5 hours, and you need a 70% passing score. It's going to cover financial management, administrative functions, and compliance with government regulations, the same business exam used across most Florida contractor licenses. Next, you're going to be doing the trade exam, which is the gas line trade exam. It's going to have 80 questions, and you'll have 5 hours to complete with a 70% passing score. It's going to cover general knowledge, testing, code compliance, taps and connections, pigging and purging, maintenance, welding and fusion, location and investigation, materials, equipment, excavation, and safety. This exam is open book, which means your score depends on how well you know your references, not just the content itself. Here's what you're allowed to bring into the exam. You've got the OSHA 29 CFR 1926, Florida Building Code Fuel Gas 2023 edition, the Pipeline Safety Regulations CFR 49 Part 192, the API 5L, the Pipe and Excavation Contracting, and the Damage Prevention Guide from Sunshine 811. Only one copy of each reference is allowed in the exam. You're going to want to get your books tabbed and highlighted well before exam day. Here's the biggest mistake people make. They study content instead of navigation. Your prep should focus on tabbing and highlighting your OSHA, fuel gas code, and pipeline safety references, realistic time practice questions, and learning which reference books answers which question type. If your exam is coming up, practice under time pressure. Train your hands to find answers automatically. That's how first-time passers study. No two contractors study the same way. That's why One Exam Prep offers multiple exam prep options designed to fit every learning style, schedule, and budget for your Florida Gas Line Contractor prep. So we've got the online course, which is going to walk you through every exam topic step by step with practice questions. You've got the book set, which is the official reference materials approved for the exam. The highlight and tab book set, your books will arrive professionally highlighted and tabbed so you're ready for the exam. The book rental is going to give you those professionally highlighted and tabbed books as well as the online course access, and you'll be able to return those books for a deposit refund. Next will be the ultimate package, which is going to give you those highlight and tab books, the live virtual classes, and give you the application service as well. And finally, the one package is going to give you everything we just talked about, but we're also going to set up your business for you. Use code FL10GAS at checkout for 10% off any of these packages. If you set up your prep correctly and train for speed, passing the Florida Gas Line Contractor exam on the first try is very doable. If you want a guided study plan, practice support, and a proven system to get through both exams faster, check out the One Exam Prep resources below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos. We'll see you.